Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best price cordless drills in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Dewalt 20V MAX Cordless Drill. Dewalt is one of the most popular and mainstream brands of power tools. As it offers various kinds of power tools, you can also find cordless drills options made by Dewalt. The Dewalt DCD771C2 is present in the first position in this article as it is a high-performance cordless drill. It comes with a 20-volt battery that is responsible for powering its half-an-inch chuck. You get a motor speed of either 450 RPM or 1500 RPM depending on your speed setting. And this is more than enough for most users for easily drilling into different objects and surfaces. You also get a decent build quality that means that it can easily last for a long time without any issues. This cordless drill has an ergonomic handle that offers both grip as well as comfort while using it for drilling into different surfaces. It even comes with various useful accessories. Number 2. Our second best pick is BLACK+DECKER 20V MAX Cordless Drill. BLACK+DECKER is a highly popular brand of power tools that is mainly known for making affordable options. And this is also true for the BLACK+DECKER cordless drill mentioned here in this article. BLACK+DECKER's LDX120C cordless drill is present in the second position in this article as it is one of the cheapest cordless drill options available out there. But it is still able to offer a lot of things for its given price. While it has a slightly smaller 3/8 inch, you get a pretty good drilling performance with it. This is possible because it uses a 20-volt battery to power its motor. You also get an 11-position clutch in this cordless drill that can be quite handy for many users. And you can even change the drill speed if needed for drilling into softer or harder objects. A great thing about this cordless drill is that it comes with multiple accessories that make it an excellent value for money option. Number 3. Our third best pick is the KIMO Cordless Drill Driver Kit. KIMO is a comparatively smaller brand of power tools that also makes cordless drills. But its cordless drill has a high user rating due to the accessories and features that it offers. This KIMO cordless drill is present in the third position in this article as it comes with various accessories. It includes things like a carrying bag, battery, charger, various screwdriver bits, drill bits, and brushes. As a result, this is a great value for money product, especially when you consider its affordable price tag. You get a 12-volt battery in this cordless drill that is quite powerful for the given price. Just like the previous BLACK+DECKER cordless drill, this one also comes with a 3/8 inch chuck size. Thankfully, it has a decent drilling performance due to its 18+1 clutch. You get 280 inch-pound torque in this portable cordless drill that allows you to drill into various materials with ease. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Drill/Driver Kit. CRAFTSMAN offers various kinds of power tools that can be quite handy for different applications. It also makes a cordless drill that offers various things for its given price tag. This CRAFTSMAN has a comparatively lower price tag when compared with other cordless drills. Even then, it offers a 20-volt battery pack that powers its half-an-inch chuck size. As a result, you can expect decent performance from this drill. As a result, it can easily last for a long time. Its 20-volt batteries take 60 minutes or less to fully charge. And just like various other options, it offers 2 motor speeds that go up to 1500 RPM. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Porter Cable 20V MAX Cordless Drill Combo Kit. Porter Cable is one of the oldest and highly popular brands of power tools. It offers power tools of all shapes and sizes, including this cordless drill. As per the name of this cordless drill, it is a pack of 2 that comes with a combination of 2 cordless drills. Due to this, it offers great value for money, and it can be a great option if you need multiple drills for commercial usage. One of these drills has a chuck size of 1/2 inch that uses the 20-volt battery to offer a drilling speed of up to 1500 RPM. On the other hand, the second drill has a 1/4 inch chuck size that is powered by the same 20-volt battery. But unlike the previous option, this one comes with a motor speed rating of up to 2800 RPM. You also get other useful accessories included in this kit that make it a great value for money option. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.